back to my channel again. This is Precious too, and I'll be showing you guys natural remedy you can use to grow your hair at home, get your hair longer and thicker. Okay, if you are struggling with hair loss, with stunted hair growth, this video is that one video you should continue watching because this recipe works like magic. And over here we have our aloe vera plant, so we'll be extracting the aloe vera gel out of this, which is on the recipe, aloe vera gel. So I got this aloe vera plant from my backyard. You can get yours from the mall, anywhere around you. This is the aloe vera gel. As you can see, it's so slippery and slick. So try your best to extract at least 4 tablespoons of your aloe vera gel, or if you are using your already made aloe vera gel bought in the market, which you see in the screen now, you can get this also from a mall. You just measure 4 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. Or if you're like me, which is using natural aloe vera gel, all you have to do is just be patient and try to scoop out 4 tablespoons. Be glad you did it. Okay, so guys, this is aloe vera gel. As you can see, it's pretty much. So our next step, like putting this aside, you can see we have our onion and ginger, blending these two together. So we have this cut into smaller chunks. Get your blender and put it. Do same for the ginger. So guys, this is our ginger. I'm going to cut it into chunks, pieces. So we're going to be adding in a glass cup of water. So guys, this is what it looks like after blending. So I'm going to pour it into aloe vera gel and you mix together. So as you can see, our hair growth treatment is ready. So guys, this is your aloe vera gel, onion and ginger hair growth treatment. This treatment should be used for your hair for 14 days straight, back to back. Okay, how to use this? You'll be needing to take like this kind of quantity and use to massage your scalp and rub on your hair. Okay, use it to rub on your hair, massage your hair, and you cover for an hour. Cover with your bonnet for an hour and you just leave it there. You allow it to infuse into your hair and stay there. So an hour later, you wash off. Do this for 14 days daily, and trust me, you will see tremendous growth in your hair because it will definitely grow a lot, like a lot. So guys, this is basically it. Thanks for watching, and I will look forward to your comment down below and your reviews on how this recipe worked well for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, yeah, do that right now, and also turn on notification bell to get notified. That bell close to the subscribe button, click on it to be notified on my next videos. Share this video with your friends, like this video, comment down below, and God bless you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Okay, so bye guys, thanks for watching.